Mary Magdalene is said to be the closest and most confident of Jesus Christ. Some recent books and films have even claimed her to be Jesus Christ's wife. Mary Magdalene. She is considered to be the most mysterious woman in the Bible. In the last few decades, a lot has been written about the relationship between Christ and Mary Magdalene, in which it has been said that Mary was actually the person who was the closest disciple of Jesus Christ. She was always with him. Both had a very intimate relationship. Da Vinci Code even says that Magdalene was not only a disciple of Christ but also his wife and mother of many children. The Bible says she was constantly with him. She traveled with him. She saw him being crucified and was his closest friend. Over the centuries, everyone from churchmen and scholars to novelists and filmmakers have written and shown the story of Mary Magdalene in their own way. In the early Christian texts, Mary Magdalene was shown not just as a follower, but as Jesus' trusted companion, which is why she was also considered his wife. By the way, Mary Magdalene is definitely the most mysterious woman in the Bible. The books of the New Testament of the Bible mentioned Mary Magdalene's presence at the time of Jesus' crucifixion. According to this, Mary used to travel with Jesus and his 12 disciples. Actually, the place from where Mary came was called Magdala, which is now in northern Israel. This is why she came to be called Mary Magdalene. Maria's name was also in the Gospel. After Jesus' crucifixion, his male disciples ran away, but Mary kept going there. It was she who told people that Jesus had come alive again. Mary was the only one who not only saw Jesus after he came alive but also met him. It is said that Christ had made her so powerful that later some men became uncomfortable with it and tried to diminish her. However, if some tried to diminish Mary, some also tried to increase her stature. In a 2nd century text, the Gospel of Mary, Mary Magdalene was placed above Jesus' male disciples in knowledge and influence. She also appears in many paintings with Jesus Christ. It is claimed that Jesus loved Mary the most among all his disciples.